bird. I fly in the sky. I see tiny trains. I see tiny trees. I see big planes. I see big clouds. Oh no! I'm too high! Ah! I'm falling! I'm falling! I'm a bird.
Something tickles. I feel something strange on my back. What are these? Wings? Wings? Birds have wings. Am I a bird? Wow! I am a bird. Then I can fly high in the sky. I can fly high above the trees. Those trees are small. They look like pencils. They're really cute. And I can fly high above the trains. Look! Those trains look tiny too. They are very small. Hello, bird. Can you fly with me? Let's fly together. Oh, I am tired of flying. I need to get some rest. Oh, look at those tiny people. And there's my tiny mommy. Look, Mommy, I'm up here. I'm a bird. Mommy, Mommy, look up here. I'm a bird now.
I'm a bird.